Shubhajit, the latest we know is that Neeraj Kumar did meet the Lieutenant Governor, and also news coming out that he will not be replaced.
Yeah, that's right. The information which is coming out from the government sources is that Neeraj Kumar will not be replaced. Remember, he's on his last couple of months for office tenure, which is left right now. But he has come in heavy criticism from all sections of the government as well as the civil society. He met the Lieutenant Governor today. The meeting lasted for over 2 hours, and in the meeting also he was asked to maintain the law and order of the city. Remember, for the last few months, Delhi has been constantly on the ball. If you look at last 6 months, all the big stories of the nation have come in from Delhi, and all of them have been big stories which had come in. There was severe law and order crisis during the December 16th gang rape case, and following that the protest which happened, and the way the lathi charge was done at the innocent protesters who were protesting at the India Gate. Apart from that, it has constantly gone on, and that protest lasted for a month and a half. And then again, this particular rape case, which was handled rather insensitively by the Delhi police, which have seen that some of the even the complainant has said that they were almost bribed to hush up this matter, and it's only when the media and the other sections of the civil society picked it up did ensure some sincerity in this. Though police have suspended the SHO as well as the IO in this case and initiated an inquiry by the Joint Commissioner of Vigilance, right now what we are seeing is massive law and order situation in the national capital.
Right.
Every section of the society is now criticizing the Commissioner for this.
Shubhajit, we're also seeing a growing clamour for Neeraj Kumar's resignation. We saw Girija Vyas make that statement. Earlier we had seen Arvind Kejriwal. Sandeep Dixit, of course, has been talking about it for a while. But just the police commissioner himself, is he going to be speaking today?
Absolutely. Police Commissioner will be holding a press conference at around 3 p.m. today in the police headquarters, and that we are expecting some of the words to come in from there. This very press conference shows an indication that he is going to stay in his position. Remember, today is the first day of Parliament. There have been speculation that he might be removed from his top job, especially after Girija Vyas and other senior Congress leaders had joined in the chorus. We had seen Delhi Chief Minister asking for his head a number of times. A number of civil society protesters from across Aam Aadmi Party, from the left-wing groups, everybody has been asking for his head. They're saying that the law and order situation needs to be improved. Someone has to be made responsible, and Delhi Commissioner should take honest on that. But our sources in the government are telling us that he is going to stay at the top, and he will going to remain he will going to finish his tenure, which is about 2 months left in it.
Shubhajit, the government is on the back foot, the police is on the back foot. The one demand that everyone, including, interestingly, the Congress party is making is that fix accountability, sack the police commissioner to start with. Despite all of that, why is it that they're letting Neeraj Kumar stay?
See, some of the important points which can be brought in here is that a lot of these demands are political in nature. If we look at the demands made by the Delhi Chief Minister Sheila Dixit, she's always been asking for Delhi police be brought under the state government, and that was one of the reasons why she was asking for Neeraj Kumar's dismissal as well. Apart from that, this is the political year in Delhi. The Delhi elections will be happening in the later half of the year. So a lot of these demands which are coming in are also political in nature. These are some of the points which are in. Apart from that, we've also seen how one of the points which even the Home Ministry has given to Delhi police is that the way they have handled the December 16th rape case, they had solved the case within 24 hours. Even in this particular case, the case was solved within 24 hours. The accused, and now both the accused have been arrested as well. But the fact remains that there has been strong criticism coming in. It's a huge relief for the commissioner, because even our sources in the police headquarters were telling us at that point of at least a couple of days earlier that there could be something, there could be a shake-up in the system. But for now, the Commissioner of Delhi stays, and that is the news coming in. It's a huge relief for the police commissioner himself. He'll be holding a press conference around 3 p.m. today.